Hey guys, haha, as you can see, we're putting on the finishing touches here. All right, well, my girls are wanting to take me to that hidden gem, the Hidden Vineyard for my birthday. So putting on the final touches here, and we're gonna head out. And I want you guys to come along. Hi guys, we are here with Claudia at Hidden Vineyards. We made it! Yay! And I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Claudia. She is the social media manager and co-owner here at Hidden Vineyards, and she's going to tell you just a little snippet about what they do best here.
Well, we do wine. We have lots of it. We grow 8 different varietals from reds to whites. And we want to invite you to this little hidden gem that is not hiding anymore, thanks to Tina thanking you for the promotion. So come and see us, guys. We have fun. Fun for you. We have food truck, music, lots of wine, beer, and let's just celebrate life one bottle at a time.
Oh, beautiful. Yes.
Perfect.
So we're going to jump in and we're going to have a blast. Okay, guys, we have our wine fly. We're getting ready to taste. This is what they call, their name of it is the Pilot Path. It is a Petite Mancine grape. And it's like Abby was telling us, it's aged in the stainless steel, not in oak. So you get a more of a crisp taste on this one. Oh my goodness. It's so good. It's very fruit forward. Just enough sweetness to where it's not super dry. Nice and crisp. So refreshing. This one would be so good on like that. You know that when the weather's starting to get really, really warm and it's the afternoon and you just want to sit down with something refreshing and kind of get the heat of the day off of you, that Pilot Path is. All right, now we're moving to what they call the lunchbox. It's their 2019 Chardonnay, and this one has been aged in oak, so it's going to have that buttery oaky quality to it. Oh boy, you can smell that oak in it too. So anybody who likes oaked wines and white is going to love this, I'm sure. Oh, it's beautiful. It finishes fruity, not too fruity, but where you get that oak at the very beginning, very oaky on the nose. It finishes with a beautiful crispness on the palate. Very mellow fruit flavors, really gorgeous. I like oaked wine, so this one's a good one for me. All right, now this one is their, what they call 131. It's their 2018 Cab Sav, Cabernet Sauvignon. Look at that beautiful color, you guys. Look at that, gorgeous, right? Oh, wow. That smokiness in there. I tell you what, you breathe this in and you can tell that on this land they used to grow tobacco. And those qualities, that smoky quality, I love that. Never smoked, but yet I love those characteristics that are in the earth and in the ground from land that used to be farmed with tobacco. It's so cool, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I just, for some reason, I could just sit and breathe that in like half the day. It just smells so fascinating to me. It has the lightness that a Cab Sav has over a Merlot, or something darker, a Syrah or a Shiraz or something like that. So it's lighter than that, but yet you get those beautiful tannins in it. Not too much, but gorgeous. Really pretty. Nice finish. I would say soft tannins, although I'm not an expert, but I would say softer tannins. Really beautiful finish on that. Long lasting finish on that. You get the fruit, but you get the smoke, and you get that little bit of earthiness in that one, but not very much, just a little bit on the finish, I would say. Okay, moving on, Chambourcin. Love a good Chambourcin. And for some reason, you guys, in North Carolina, we do Chambourcins very, very well. This is their 2018 Chambourcin. They call it Gloss. Oh my goodness sakes, that's so good. Oh my goodness. That one, a little bit oaky, not too much. Tannins, a little bit more of a bite on the palate than the Cab Sav. Reminds me of a little bit of a tart dark cherry in the best way. It's so good. The finish is very long on that one, longer than the Cab Sav. And on the finish, you still are getting that pleasant acidity and that bite just all across the palate. Super, super good. All right. This is the one they call Frank the Tank. It's their surprise wine, and it is a Cabernet Franc with blueberry juice in it. And there are some people that do not like to do that with wine, but I tell you what, here in North Carolina, we have some beautiful examples of it. So if you like the juice-infused wines, North Carolina, the place to go. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh, that's so good. See, to me, it's sweet with the juice in it, but yet the tartness balances it out just absolutely perfectly. You could pour it over pancakes and have a ball. Oh my goodness, that's so good. That tartness of the fruit is just, I mean, like, I can't imagine the balance of the tartness with the sweetness being any more perfect than that. This is a real winner, you guys. Frank the Tank, they call it. Frank the Tank. Cab Franc with blueberry juice. And this is their 2018. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, well, there you have it. There are 5 premier wines. Really, really good. Some of them, I would say, are in a reserve quality. These are really fantastic. Once again, I'm telling you guys, Hidden Vineyard, you got to come check them out. Dobson, North Carolina. They are a hidden gem. And they are doing it right.
Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh, where'd you get that? They gave it to me when I walked in down there.
Oh, sweet.
I know, right?
I tell you
That's
what,
so nice.
it's so precious.
It's so pretty. Are you too nice? Yes, I am. We have this for you.
Oh
Precious. My gosh.
I know.
That's so great. They remember.
I know.
Yeah.
It's so thoughtful. Oh my goodness sakes.
Look at my hair. The wind.
I know.
The wind is not our friend today.
It is like, it is a crisp wind too. I mean,
Yeah,
a little cool,
it is.
a little chilly. But it's so beautiful.
It's starting to warm up though a little bit.
I am so glad. And the whole beautiful landscape. I mean, look at all of this. Look at how extensive their vines are.
Did you notice that they have labeled like their vines, like their pilot path?
Oh, see, we need to take a look at
I mean, that is organization.
I know,
Top
right?
tier.
I love the top tier. I love that.
I
And
mean,
they've labeled it with the name of that they've given their wine.
yeah.
You know?
So it's easy. You know, they're like, what do we have on Pilot Path? And let me come out here to the Pilot Path lane and let me find out. You know, you don't have to search everywhere. It's good.
Oh, look, and here's Jefferson, Merlot.
I love it. I love organization.
See, here we go, Justin.
I'm having deja vu to what's that movie? About the
French
clouds.
Kiss?
Walk the Clouds.
Walk the Clouds.
Oh,
Gosh,
Walk the
Keanu
Clouds.
Reeves.
I love that movie.
I know.
Keanu Reeves, yes.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
He's
sakes.
so good in that movie. It's so
So
romantic.
good. And I love that movie. And I finally a few years ago realized why I love that movie so much. Because I love the movies that they celebrate family, you know? And they do it so well. That script is so well written. Oh my word. And of course Keanu does an amazing job acting, and all of the actors in it really are just top tier. Hey guys, you hear that beautiful sound in the background? That's James Vincent Carroll, and he is doing some wonderful music that we could just relax to and jive to just a little bit. My mother-in-law asked me if we were going to dance today. I said, Mama, if you get up and dance, I will dance with you.
My people, do you hear me? I got no apologies. There are roads you should not take. There are streets you should not drive. Pavement it's too broken for the one tread on your tires. You just keep on moving, ignoring all the signs. Potholes in the highway lead to potholes in your life. My people, can you hear me? I feel like there's never time. No matter what comes my way, no matter what hurts me, I'ma keep my head up always. I got no apology. Oh, oh, oh. I ain't sorry for being me, sorry for living free. No, take these words from me, I got no apology. Sit on me, just like an old home. Yeah, I'm leaving here, just like an old home.
I'm not going to turn you loose.
Leave me if you can.
I could absolutely cry, y'all, because this to me breathes life into my soul. It's a beautiful afternoon. It's a little crisp, so you gotta cover up with blankets.
Double
But
tip jars, look at that, man. Thank you.
have a little something wonderful to eat. You spend time with those that you love. You hear some wonderful music. You're surrounded by families who know the value in taking the afternoon together.
Sorry, I'm a little something.
That's what life is all about.
I just want to say this. I ain't sorry for being me, sorry for living free.
You guys have an atmosphere of, and this is going to sound very cliche, but for lack of a better way to put it in one word, is just chill.
Did you hear about what our next wine's going to be called?
No.
Chill.
Really?
I kid you not. I kid you not.
Did you just say shit? I don't care.
Yes.
Is that the blush?
Josh,
Is
yes.
that going to be the
Yes.
That's a blush.
Oh my
cool.
Oh,
word.
That was my name, by the way.
Oh,
I'm the
really?
one
My
that-
word.
I'm like, what are
Did
we looking
you
for?
see
It's
that?
chill.
Did you
That's
see
exactly
that?
what I was going for.
Ha!
Yeah, the
Yes.
the place is chill, but y'all guys make everybody feel like family.
Yeah,
Just come on
Yeah.
in.
And you just feel at
absolutely.
home
Just
here.
yes.
And
Once again, guys, if you like this kind of content, you like coming along with me on our adventures, let us know. Give us a like and a comment, and I'll tell you what, you guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do that. That's going to help us out, but it's also going to help you out because we love to come into your lives. We love to come into your home. We love to come into your wherever you are and share words of encouragement, funny things, entertaining things, helpful and useful things. So you guys, let us know what you think, okay? We are loving, enjoying life with you, and we want to give you more, all right? So also, if you're in the Dobson area or anywhere in this, come and check out Hidden Vineyard. Once again, they are the hidden gem in this area, and I'm loving this. This whole area is just full of wonderful vineyards. The views, you guys, we're going to give you some more of that views, coming up. But you got to check this out. It's a beautiful place to come, bring yourself back to center, and feed your soul. And so we'll give you that and more next time on Things Tina Does. Bye-bye.